you have landed on this video because you have been thinking about Kajabi, someone's told you about Kajabi, and you want an inside look at this software before you decide if Kajabi is the right fit for you. In this video, I give you an inside look at the software. We go through everything that's available for you. And if you decide that you want to take the next step by doing the 30-day free trial, please note that I have a free 30-day trial link below that also comes with a Kajabi course that I have built to show you how to do the things that I share inside this video. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope that you enjoy this video and I hope it gives you the information that you need in order to make that decision. Today's video, I'm really just going to be going through the menu over here to the left and showing you exactly what is inside Kajabi and how you can use it for your business. If you decide after watching this video, you want to go ahead and give Kajabi a try, I have a 30-day free trial below in the description of this video. As well, when you sign up using my specific referral link, I also give you my Kajabi 101 training modules to help you learn how to use the software itself. For today's video, I'm going to just show you this left-hand side menu and show you exactly what you get when you join Kajabi. Now, when you sign up and you come to your dashboard here, that's what this is, your dashboard. Your dashboard in the beginning, when you're new to Kajabi, is going to have this get started menu. So this is going to help you create your product. It's just basically quick links to get things set up for your business. This middle part is usually just whatever's going on within Kajabi. And then there's also some links to some more trainings and tutorials for you here inside the program. So when you click on the dashboard, that's what you're going to see. Now, once you are using Kajabi and you're getting sales and you have products and programs and all of those things, this dashboard will show you a snapshot of your current sales over the past 30 days. So who signed up, how much earnings you've had, all of that. So that's really what you're going to see in the dashboard. On the product side, this is where you can actually start creating your products. Now, what I love about Kajabi is that they have multiple different kinds of products that you can create for your business, depending on your needs. So I work with a lot of coaches and course creators. I find that this program works really well for coaches and course creators, consultants. I'm a graphic designer. I use Kajabi for my business. There's a lot of different things that you can create within the software. When you click on all products, it just basically shows you, it drops down this menu here. If you click get started, it's going to walk you through each one that you see over here on the left. So there are courses where you can create programs for your business. So if you want to create an online recorded course, you can do that. There's coaching as well. So coaching is if you want to create coaching programs. The cool thing about the Kajabi coaching program is that you can go live right within the program. Your coaching client has their own portal. You have a portal for them. There are a lot of really powerful things that you can do within the coaching product inside Kajabi. So this is really geared towards those who do a lot of online coaching. Then we have community. This functions very similar to the online membership where you can have multiple different kinds of groups within a community. You can do live video, you can do recorded video, you can do lots of different things within your community. Similar to having a Facebook group, but there's just more options inside your community. And of course, it's all protected within Kajabi. I love that Kajabi has created its own function for having a community for your business. This would be great for memberships. Next, we have Kajabi Podcast. So you can actually create your podcast right here in Kajabi. It will stream to iTunes and Spotify. You've got paid podcasts you can do in here, or you can have free podcasts. You can have podcasts that are just for specific clients. So there's a lot of really great options for podcasting here inside Kajabi, and it's nice that it's all in one spot. The next tab that we're going to look at is the sales tab. Inside the sales tab, this is where you would be creating your offers and accepting payments with your clients. So in the payments tab is where you're going to connect your payment providers. Stripe is the main provider for Kajabi, but you can also use Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal. So you can go ahead and follow the steps to set up your payments here, making it flexible for your clients. The offer section, this is where you can create the offers that go with your programs and your products. So you can set your pricing, you can set the different things that come with those offers. You can create your checkout pages where you can put information about your offers and images and all that kind of stuff. You can have tons of different offers. You can have different price points for your offers. There's a lot of really good flexibility within Kajabi for creating your offers. All of your payments funnel through Kajabi, and then your service providers pay out those payments. So you can track your sales, all of that stuff throughout your offers. Inside coupons, this is where you can create special offers for your programs and your products. So if you wanted to give people a discount for signing up, if you wanted to give your bestie a special discount for something, if you want to do a launch discount or a code, you can create percentage off discounts and dollar value off discounts for your products and your programs. The affiliate section is for growth members and above. So if you are on the basic plan, you don't have access to the affiliates, but if you are on the growth plan, you can access this. This is where you can create a portal for anybody who is wanting to sell your programs for you. If you have clients who want to share your products and programs, they can create a referral link, a unique referral link that when they're talking about your programs to other people, and people buy those programs, this affiliate section will track all of that for you. It'll track who's purchased, who the affiliate is, what the percentage is. And at the end of every month, it will show you what the total is that you would owe that particular client for their referrals. So Kajabi doesn't pay out the referrals automatically, but it does track it all for you. So it makes it easy for you to PayPal them at the end of the month with whatever their earnings are. The next section is the website section. This is where we get into the fun design stuff. This is my favorite section of Kajabi. This is where you can design your website for your business, as well as sales pages and opt-in pages, set up your navigation, and there's even a blog within Kajabi. When we click on design, it's going to bring you to this page here to pick a template for your website. So I'll just show you just an example of some of the templates. And again, another thing I love about Kajabi is the fact that they have these really great professionally designed templates that you can start from. If you want to just start with, for instance, if you like this bright, creative template, you could pick this, change out the copy, change out the colors, change out the photos, and literally set it live as your website and you're good to go. You can use these templates as they are, or you can also manipulate them. Oftentimes for my clients, because this is what I do for my clients, is I will start with a basic template like this, and then I build it out. I change the fonts, I change the colors, I add different elements and different layers into their pages depending on their needs. You can either use one of the templates, and this is going to show you what the page looks like. In the program that I give you when you sign up for the 30-day free trial, inside that, I give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a homepage for your website. But once it's here, then you can go ahead and customize the page and you can start building it out. That is in the website design. In the Pages tab, there's a menu with 3 different options up here. Once you install your website template, you will see all of the website pages that are available inside that template right here, and they're all ready to customize. You just click on one, and it will bring up the customization. You can start customizing your entire website. The landing pages tab, this is where you would create, let's say, a sales page for a specific program. With Kajabi, you can start from scratch if you want to, or they have some really great templates. If we click on Browse Templates, you will see that, for instance, in sales pages, they have 14 different designs of different sales pages that you could start from. And a lot of these will match some of those website designs. So that yellow website that I showed you, this is one of the sales pages that go along with that website if you wanted to stay within that design. There's a lot to choose from here. Again, I simply start with personally blank canvas, something similar to this, and I start to build it out. You can do whatever's comfortable for you. You can even go even more basic and start with just a complete blank canvas. I love that Kajabi gives you so many options when it comes to designing landing pages and sales pages. The navigation function, this is where you can create the navigation for your website. So it comes with some basic navigation, and then you can add to this. You can add more menus, you can create drop-down menus. There's lots of options again for your navigation. I love that Kajabi also has the option to incorporate a blog into your website right in its own software. If you want to have a blog, you would hit Get Started. You would set up the blog. It walks you through step by step, and you can literally start creating blog posts right away. It's super easy. It's very intuitive. It's templated, so you can't get it wrong. You can create images for your blog. You can have links inside your blog. You can even have an opt-in right at the end of your blog. There's lots of really cool features inside the blog. I personally, and a lot of my clients as well, use the blog function inside Kajabi for the show notes for our podcast. That's an option that you can do with the blog as well, keeping everything in one place. Next is the marketing tab. This is where you do all your emailing, in creating the funnels and all of that kind of stuff inside Kajabi. On the overview page, you would get a snapshot of how many signups you've had, how many opt-ins, how many unsubscribes. When you click on email campaigns, this is where you can create your emails from scratch. So when you say new email campaign, you can create an email broadcast. You can create an email sequence. This would be when someone signs up for a program, and let's say you have 4 or 5 emails that you want to send to them over a course of time. You can create an automated sequence for that. And eventually soon they're going to be having event emails, which is great. You can do a single email off to your entire list or off to a segment of your list. You can have an email sequence, and then you can have these event emails. All of your emails are housed in one spot. So you can see your sequences, you can see your broadcast emails, you can see your event emails eventually. You can also use templates. Kajabi has different templates that you can choose for your emails, or you can create your own template. It's easy to just create a very branded email, and just every time you do it, it's the same because you can create that template right here. In funnels, which is the next section down, you can create automated marketing funnels inside Kajabi. If you want easy funnels, using the funnels section is going to be really great for you, especially if you're new to automation. So if you say get started, Kajabi has preset funnels, and it really does simplify the process of automating your marketing material. So if you're new to this, is a really great way to get started and to learn how everything connects. So if you wanted to, for instance, create a freebie opt-in, let's say you've created this great guide, you want to give it out for free. If you click on the freebie funnel, you would give it a name. So we'll call it test funnel 2, and it's going to go ahead and start putting the pieces together for you. It's going to take some time here to build. And then once it's built, then you just go in and you edit the pieces that it generates for you, and then it's ready to go. This is just showing you an overview of this particular funnel. There's an opt-in page, there's an email that gets triggered once people opt in, and there's a thank you page. So your job at this point would just to go into each of these pieces and edit them to your liking, changing the copy, changing the photo, changing the colors if you need to, and the fonts. This is where you can do it. You can also add more sections to the page. If you want more detail and more things, you can do that. There's a lot of really great editing options in here. You can edit the email right in here. This is going to show you the email. And this is the editing piece. Again, in the Kajabi training that I give you when you sign up with my referral link, I show you how to use all of this stuff. And then, of course, there's the thank you page. So again, all of the how-to pieces for this is inside the training that you get when you use my referral link to sign up for Kajabi. So that is the funnels. Automations just basically lists all of the automations that are going on in your business. As you can see here as an example, we just created that funnel. There's an automation within that funnel. When the form is submitted on that opt-in page, it's going to then automatically subscribe that person to the email sequence that goes with that. There was that one email in the middle of that funnel. This is automatically, because we use the funnels for that, it's automatically created the automation and will automatically send that email once the form is submitted. Every time you create an automation, it will list it here. So you can see all the automations very quickly that are active inside your business. The events tab is where you can create marketing communications centered around a specific date and time. So you can use this if you have a webinar, if you have a masterclass or an in-person event, if you have the launch of a new program, anything that you want to create a countdown timer for, and then specific emails that will send prior to the event, and then specific emails after an event. I use this a lot with doing masterclasses. This will create the emails leading up to the event, including like event reminders, like 15 minutes until this gets started. And then even after the event. So this is where you can start to upsell the clients based on what you shared in the masterclass. You can give them the links to purchase and join and all of that stuff. Plus, it creates countdown timers that you can use in email communications. You can use on landing pages and sales pages so that people know how much time they have before this event is going to happen. So it's a really powerful tool. And then forms, basically, this is just any form that you've created within your Kajabi business is going to be listed here. When we created that free funnel opt-in, this is the form that it created that goes on that landing page. So this is where you can come in and edit that specific form. If you want it to be a single opt-in, If you want to add extra fields, maybe you want to collect their Instagram, but this is where you can add any extra automations. If you want to add a tag, you can say when form is submitted, then add a tag and you can create the tag. There's lots of different things you can do here to customize your forms. You can see the submissions of your forms, so who's actually signed up for the forms. The forms is just showing you where all your forms are. And if you want to make any of those edits to the forms, you can do that here inside the forms. Contacts isn't the next space we're going to look at inside Kajabi here. This is just basically anybody who's bought a program, signed up for an opt-in, anybody who has come into your business through a form or a purchase will be here, and it will have all the information that you've asked for from them when they've signed up or when they've purchased. All of that information is collected here, all of their interactions within your business inside the contacts. You can see the insights that are going on with your contacts, like how many people are engaging, how many people are unsubscribing. Kajabi does a really great job of showing you these analytics so you can make changes on that. Assessments are a great tool to help collect more data from your members. You can create assessments at the end of your programs or at the end of certain modules at your programs and asking them questions about those specific modules, what they learned, if they had any feedback for you or anything like that. And analytics, the last section here in this menu is where you can just see all of your business analytics, your revenue, your subscription metrics, page views. You can literally go in and see who's viewed what pages on your website, on which days, the opt-ins, just basically anything and everything that's important to your business. Those analytics will be found here. The last section I'm going to show you is the settings. Inside the settings, you will see there are lots of different options in here to set up your settings. Obviously, these are mostly set up for you when you come into Kajabi, but there are things that you can change. For instance, inside customer payments, email receipts. Do you want to send email receipts? You can make it, right now it's set to never. You're going to want to come in here and change it to whatever suits your business. So you just want to go through your settings. And in the program that I share with you, when you join my 30-day free trial, I show you all the different settings and the ones that I would change and how to change them. Your account details are here. Now, if you are using the 30-day free trial, this is the billing section that you're going to want to go to change your plan from the growth plan to the basic plan before your subscription starts. This is what automatically gets started for you when you join the 30-day free trial. If you don't need all of the stuff that's listed in here, I recommend that you downgrade to the basic account until you need the growth account. Once you make that downgrade, it will start billing you. So don't do this until you're at day 29 of your free trial and you're ready to start using Kajabi. That gives you an inside look into Kajabi, into everything that it offers. I have personally been using this software since 2018, and I highly recommend it to anyone who's looking at creating courses, coaching, or any kind of products that I shared with you here inside the products tab within Kajabi. If you have any questions, please comment below. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope this gave you enough information to help decide if Kajabi is a fit for you. All right, everyone, we'll see you next time.